Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to charge Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you want to charge your Apple Watch, but don't know how to go about it, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To charge your Apple Watch, you need the Apple Watch charger. So in this case, your Apple Watch could be the Type-C charging Apple Watch or the one with the magnetic cable. So whether your Apple Watch is the magnetic cable Apple Watch charger or the Type-C, then you can always charge your Apple Watch. So to charge your Apple Watch, all you just need to do is go ahead and plug the other end of the charger to a power cable. So go ahead, plug it to your power cable. Once it is plugged to a power cable, then grab your Apple Watch, place your Apple Watch on the magnetic charger. Then you should see charging. That's it. So that shows my Apple Watch is charging. And if at the same time you're using the Type-C Apple Watch charger, you just need to go ahead and then plug it into the charging port on your Apple Watch, just like you're charging your normal phone. But in this case, I'm using the magnetic charger. So just press on it, and then you should see your Apple Watch charging. You see that? So that is basically how to charge your Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.